Now I will show you how to get some values in one column, this one column, based on multiple condition in one cell. So this is the one. In one cell we have 3 products, so we need to calculate the sum of this one based on this one column value. So bread, milk, sugar, total of 1650, and sugar and water 820, bread 650, and bread, sugar, coffee, bread, sugar, coffee, total of 640. Now we will use our formula. Okay, let's start. I will put my cursor here, then I will put again my cursor in our formula bar, because our functions it's quite long. Okay, let's start. We'll press equal, then sum, tab, then our if function, then is number, I will press that, then find. Now I will put double quote, comma, double quote, then and now I will select this one, our reference, then I will put $sign, so this is absolute reference, then colon, then I will select our last reference, then I will put here $sign also to make it absolute, and then double quote, comma, double quote, comma, double quote, comma, and last double quote. Now we will put and, then our cell reference here, and double quote, comma, and double quote is to find the text, then I will close this one, then comma, and now our reference, this one, this is the value. Again I will put here $sign to make it absolute, then colon, then I will select also here, then I will put in between $sign to make this one absolute also, and now I will close this argument. Now if I hit enter, it will give us wrong, because it will calculate the total of 2210. Instead we're supposed to make it total for only for bread, milk, and sugar, which is 1650. So now we will make this one as array formula. just highlight this one. Then on your keyboard, just press Ctrl, then Shift, then hit Enter. Now, it will give us the correct amount, which is 650 plus 550. And for 50, look here, 1650, which is bread, milk, and sugar. Now, we will copy this one. So this is our array formula to calculate some values based on multiple conditions in a one cell. Now we will convert this one into macro. How? First, we need to save as, then macro enable. So I will put trial this one. So we will copy this one, then we will delete. Look, since I already copied the array formula, now we can use that one in our macro. Okay, let's start. First, just go to developer, then click this one, run macro. Then we will rename calculate sum. As you can see, it's stopped recording, so meaning it's blue, it's now recording. So just put our cursor here, then control or paste. Now I will highlight this one and Control Shift Enter to make array. Then I will copy this one. Now we will stop. We'll save. As you can see here, if we will press Alt F11, this is our macro code. Now we will use that one in order to execute I will delete that one. Then we will use from here, then developer, then insert, then we'll use this one, calculate sum, then okay. Okay, now look, if I click this one, automatically it will fill this value based on this criteria. Okay, look, 1, 2, 3. So this is it. This is how to get some values in one column based on multiple conditions in a one cell. Thank you and God bless.